Hey guys, I'm in one of my properties here. One of the burners went out in the stove, and so they gave me a call the other day. I figured I'd come over here and take a look at it. I've run across this several times before. I've done these repairs, and so I want to show you guys how easy it is to fix an appliance like this. The part is really a $9 part. It's fairly inexpensive, but if you were to hire a repairman to come out, at least to do one service call is probably a minimum of $100. It's not that hard once you get into it. I use YouTube a lot when it comes to researching and troubleshooting some errors, but over the years I've learned that this is a pretty easy fix. And so what happens is on the stove, usually boiling pots of water spill over into the stove itself, and then it shorts out these wires. This is the connector for the stovetop burner on top of the stove. And so all I did was I lifted the main part of the top plate here. Underneath, if I'm going to show you this one right here. That's the new connector that I've replaced. And all I did was I cut out the old one. Make sure, this is kind of goes without saying, but make sure you unplug the stove. Come around to the back side, and the wires that were shorted out, I've just replaced them, and I've tied it back into the thermostat control, wired it back up, and I've already tested it. It works fine, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up and move on. But I thought I would share just a simple little easy trick that I do. $9. It costs $9 to fix the stove. So if you're courageous enough and you want to do your own repairs, I encourage you to at least give it a try. What's the worst that could happen? You'd have to hire someone else to come out and fix what you screwed up, right? So good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.